Vectibix Vial is a medication that is used to treat a specific type of cancer that affects the colon or rectum. It contains a man-made protein called panitumumab, which is a type of monoclonal antibody. This protein binds to a specific protein called epidermal growth factor receptor, EGFR, and it works by slowing down or halting the growth of cancer cells. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage and take Vectibix Vial at the recommended times for optimal effectiveness. Vectibix Vial is administered through a vein by a healthcare professional, following your doctor's instructions, typically every 14 days. The dosage is determined by your weight and how you respond to the treatment. Side effects of Vectibix Vial may include diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, tiredness, constipation, abdominal pain, and growth of eyelashes. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as swelling ankles/feet, unusual weakness, irregular heartbeat, severe muscle spasms, mouth sores, signs of eye problems, signs of lung disease, or menstrual changes. Prolonged and/or severe diarrhea may lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance, so it's essential to contact your doctor if you develop extreme thirst, decreased urination, dizziness, or fainting. Seek medical help right away if you experience very serious side effects, such as seizures or infusion reactions, including an allergic reaction, characterized by fever, chills, or symptoms of an allergic reaction. While very serious allergic reactions to this drug are rare, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist of any other effects not listed here. Also, consult your healthcare provider for medical advice about side effects or to report any side effects to the relevant authorities. If you are prescribed with Vectibix Vial, you should be aware that it can cause serious skin reactions, which may lead to infections. If you notice any signs of a skin reaction such as acne, mild rash, itching, redness, swelling of the skin, dry or flaking skin, or skin sores, especially with pus, you should contact your doctor immediately. It is important to seek medical help right away if you experience signs of a serious infection, such as fever, fast heartbeat, mental or mood changes, or signs of kidney problems. Always follow your doctor's instructions and report any concerning symptoms promptly. Before starting panitumumab treatment, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's crucial to discuss this with your healthcare provider. Additionally, it's important to share your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of lung disease or low magnesium/calcium blood levels. If you are receiving this drug, it's advised to limit your time in the sun, as sunlight may worsen any skin reactions. It's recommended to use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and avoid tanning booths and sunlamps while undergoing treatment with panitumumab. Before undergoing any surgery, it's important to disclose all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, to your doctor or dentist. For women, it's important to discuss pregnancy and birth control options with your doctor before starting panitumumab treatment. It's advised not to become pregnant while using this medication, and reliable forms of birth control should be utilized during treatment and for 2 months after the last dose. For women who are breastfeeding, it's important to consult with a doctor before continuing to breastfeed while using this medication, as it may pass into breast milk and could potentially harm the infant. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how Vectibix Vial works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your healthcare provider. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much Vectibix Vial and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can call a provincial poison control centre. Before starting Vectibix Vial, your doctor may need to conduct some lab or medical tests to ensure it is safe for you to use. These tests may include checking your magnesium and calcium levels. It is important to keep all scheduled medical and lab appointments. Your doctor can provide more information about these tests and appointments. After completing treatment with Vectibix Vial, it is recommended to continue monitoring for 8 weeks. Be sure to take Vectibix Vial as directed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance on when to take the next dose. This medication, Vectibix Vial, is not something that you would keep at home. It is administered in a clinic by a healthcare professional. The dosage and timing of the medication will be determined by your doctor based on your specific medical condition. It is important to follow their instructions carefully. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.